2020 is finally coming to an end. Hello everyone, Dr. Sonal here from Edentophagia. This year had been bad for people professionally, physically, mentally, emotionally. How are you gonna celebrate your New Year's? There can be three things which you can do. Probably you're spending your time alone at your home, or you're spending time with your family, or you're partying outside. Nowadays, people have forgotten or they have chose to forget that COVID still exists and people are partying outside. No judgments to anyone. I'll always say that just wear your mask, maintain social distancing, and do what you want. Keep yourself safe and keep other people safe as well, as a civic responsibility. Wanna have a sip? We're just celebrating a New Year's. I think you can have one. Take it. Have a sip. It's okay. Come on, have a sip. That's it. Have it. Oh, you don't like normal Coke? Diet Coke for you? It has no sugars. Come on. You wanna have a sip? Have it. It's New Year's. Have it. Aren't these two things there on all the parties? Be it your home party when you're chilling with Netflix. This boy is gonna be there with your popcorn or your pizza or your pasta or your biryani. If you are with your friends, this boy or this boy, for people who are sugar conscious, has to be there with your hard drinks, for soft drinks, for your cocktails, for your mocktails. And if you're partying, these are there. Let's see what is up with Coca-Cola and teeth, or what's up with aerated beverages and your teeth. Did you know it was estimated that India's per capita consumption of aerated drinks is supposed to be double by 2021? People are consuming these all time, every time, whether they're partying, if they're sad, if they're sitting with friends, if they're watching television, if they're just watching internet, or they're sitting with their own watching the sky. These buddies are there every time. What do you think they do? Are they healthy? If they're not healthy, is it only your bodily thing which is related? How does it affect your teeth? Let's see that what repercussion these have when it comes to your teeth. There are many things associated with it. There are experiments. If you open your YouTube or if you open your internet and put up Coca-Cola and Tooth challenge, people have gone crazy all over the internet talking about a Coca-Cola and Teeth challenge. People have done, and dentists have done experiments where they have put a teeth on a glass full of Coca-Cola and they have kept it for a week's time and saw how much of damage it has caused to your teeth. What can actually Coke do? Coke is an aerated drink, or any soft drink is an aerated drink. What all it can do? It can cause damage to your pearly whites. Enamel, unlike any tissue in our body or bone, is a non-living thing. Bone on every part of our body is a living thing. Enamel is not capable of repairing itself. Hence, we need to take very good care of our teeth. Teeth, which is covered by enamel, is a non-living tissue, but inside it, the dentine and the pulp are living tissue, which are protected by a non-living thing, which is the strongest part of our body. And when we take these things, these little buddies, and do not take care of teeth properly, that is when the hardest part of our body also gets disturbed, and it might end up in a breakdown and cause problems in your teeth and oral health. What can this do after all? It can cause erosion. When you take this, the calcium of the tooth will get eroded, and it can also cause spot decay. The pH of the mouth is somewhere around 6.8. On a scale of 0 to 14, okay? The pH of mouth is around 6.8, which is in the middle point, 7. And this boy takes it down to around 2.5. And do you know that the pH of the acid battery which we use in our cars and our motored bodies have the pH of 1? So it's just 1 point higher than that. And we are using it in our mouth. And this little boy also has sugar with it, which adds as a treat to the sugar-hungry bacteria in our mouth. Now you'll say, what is it with the Diet Cola? I can have a Diet Cola. Sure, you can have your diet drink, but what it does is, it might not have sugars, but it has the pH which is favorable for the bacteria to etch the teeth. Firstly, it will erode the teeth, can cause spot decay, and then because the acidic pH, it could utilize the food inside the mouth and cause the decay. Also, another interesting fact is, once you have a sip of this, do you know how much time does it take for your oral cavity to bring back the pH normal? It takes almost 25 to 30 minutes for our body to come to its normal pH, which is 6.8, from 2.5 to 3 pH of this. So every time you have this, you are creating an imbalance in your oral cavity for 25 to 30 minutes. Are you aware of that? Does that mean that you cannot have aerated drinks, or this, or this, or these? You can definitely have that. There are a few hacks which I'm going to share with you so that you can have your New Year's party, you can have these things, and you can enjoy and keep your oral cavity safe as well. Firstly, take a straw. Use a straw to drink this. When you use a straw, the drink is directly going towards the throat, and it's saving the teeth from exposure to these aerated drinks, acidic pH, and sugar. Secondly, rinse your mouth with water once you have had this. When you do that, you're getting the pH back to the normal, almost normal. I would not say it will come back to 6.8, but yes, you're trying to get the pH a little better, and you are taking away the sugars from your mouth. Thirdly, whenever you use this, you should use fluoride rinses after that, because once you have this, it is going to erode a little bit of calcium from your mouth. And once you do the fluoride rinses, those calcium deficit points will pick up the fluoride from the fluoride rinse, and your teeth will get stronger. So it's reducing the damage what this buddy is causing. Fourth is not a tip but an advice that after you drink, do not brush immediately, okay? If you brush immediately, what will happen is your teeth is already brittle because of the acid attack, and once you're brushing it, there's a chance that calcium gets eroded more quickly. So I'm not saying do not have aerated drinks, do not have these things. Have them in moderation, enjoy your day, but you have to understand that what you need to do to keep your teeth healthy. What are the things which can cause the damage, which can reduce the damage? What are the things through which you can reverse the damage? Once you know that, you are good to go. Celebrations should not stop, but we should make informed decisions. We should know what we are doing, and we should do it responsibly. I wish you all a very, very, very happy New Year and a beautiful 2021. May your teeth be healthy. May your oral cavity thank you for all the health and all the things you're trying to do for it. And I wish you lots of health, prosperity, love, and goodness for 2021. And keep having Coke, but also follow the things which I've said. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I keep uploading a video every Wednesday, and those are things which will keep your teeth healthy and keep you away from dental ailments and probably from dentists also. So please share it with your friends and family who are going to party like crazy, and you should party like crazy. This was a year which needs to be celebrated. I'm thankful we are talking. I'm sitting here. I am going to celebrate. I might have one of these also, but I'm going to take care of the points which I mentioned. Take care, and thank you so much for sticking by. Lots of love from eDent of Asia. Bye.